guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley and this is my channel, The Makeup Enthusiast. Today's video is, guess. Yes, it's another Kardashian Jenner inspired makeup look, and it's simply because I am obsessed with their makeup looks. Today's look, I'm going to put it up here, is inspired by Kylie Jenner, and it's a beautiful everyday go-to makeup look in my opinion. And since it's Sunday, Easter's on Sunday, maybe somebody's looking for a really nice subtle makeup look to go to. I feel like this is really nice. It makes you look like you are awake, and it's usually what I would wear on a daily basis if I were to wear makeup every day, or when I do wear makeup it's usually something like this. It was fairly easy. It took me around, before editing this video, about 20 minutes, but it's because I've been getting up and down because my kids have been calling me, probably lesser than that. Yeah guys, so if you guys want to learn how to achieve this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial, please keep watching. Since Easter is approaching in a few days, I thought it would be appropriate to use my bunny ears. Okay, I did my eyebrows off camera. Today's video is inspired by this very beautiful look. I'm gonna be talked through voiceover how I usually do it. I think this is a really good makeup look for every day, honestly. If you want to wear makeup every day, it's very nice. If I can find this picture, I'm gonna pop it up right here. So it's gonna be after this one right here. I know my nails look super bad, but I haven't had time for anything. And if you see that I'm breaking out a lot, it's because, like I said, my skin hates me, and I've been trying a lot of new skincare and samples, and it's breaking me out. But don't worry, I'm gonna find my perfect thing, and then I'm gonna find my perfect skincare routine. And if not, I'll just go back to my Tatcha products. So yeah, if you want to learn how to achieve that, keep watching. So my skin's really dry. In order for my foundation to look really smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and prime. I'm gonna go ahead and start off, since my son lost my favorite primer of life. You know what? I'm gonna start off with the primer water. This is really good if you have dry skin. It's really refreshing, and my skin needs it right now. And have it dry out so it can become tacky and my makeup could stick better. After that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my moisturizer, which is my CeraVe Night Skin Renewing Night Cream. And this is for the night, but if you have really dry skin like me, it's good for your makeup. My favorite primer is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Smoothing Primer, and I don't know what my son did with it because he likes touching everything in my room. I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I am the shade 115 or 230, and I feel like I could be even a little bit lighter. So because of that, I'm going to be mixing it in with another one of my foundations, my favorite drugstore foundation, and just a dot, you know, just to give it a little bit more coverage. I'm just going to apply that. Makeup blender, my beauty blender. And yeah. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is literally the lightest shade there is. It's fair, I think. And I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eyes, or conceal, because this mama needs it. I'm gonna go in with I need a refill on this. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I am gonna be setting underneath my eyes because I don't want that to budge. And since I have a really gooey foundation, it can move even if you have dry skin. So I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be tapping underneath my eyes because I don't want to remove anything. Even if you are putting powders, if you swipe, you are going to be removing. Sephora collection, it's their Sol de Rio bronzing powder. Sol de Rio bronzing powder, and it's in matte. It's with limited edition antibody because Kathleen Lights told me to. Yes, anything she says I will buy. And it's amazing if you have light to ghostly complexions. This is a really nice bronzer. So I'm just going to use my Morphe brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. She has a very pinky blush, so I'm going to be using this Too Faced one. I honestly am not the biggest fan of blushes, but they do give you some color. So I'm going to blush up my face with this one. She has a very thick eye look. If anything, she has like one shade with some highlights. So I'm going to be using my favorite palette of life, which is the Tartelette in the Bloom palette. I'm just going to go in with the shade. I'm going to go in with the shade Charmer. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid just as a base shade. And this is my crown brush that I got in one of my Ipsy bags a long time ago. I'm going to get the shade Flower Child and mix it with Sweetheart, and I'm just going to be using that as my transition shade. Smarty Pants on the outer corners. On the inner corners, I'm going to go ahead with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to apply Funny Girl just to open up my eyes a little bit. I really wish I would have done this tutorial earlier on so I could have worn this makeup today. This is the Josie Maran. It's a lip balm, but it's like a plumping thing. And you know, Kylie Jenner is known for her lips, and I don't have the biggest lips, so I'm just going to plump them up a little bit while I do my mascara. This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to apply that. And I believe this is the lip color that she's using. I could be wrong. And this is her liquid lipstick in the shade Posy Cake. I absolutely love this shade. I'm just going to put it on top of this one. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek Kathleen Lights highlighting palette. This is such a cute highlighting palette, and I failed to reach for it. I'm going to be using the first two lighter shades because this one is a little bit too dark for me. All of that in, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. Well guys, I know that I look nothing like her. I don't have an obsession with the Kardashians, I don't, but what I love is their makeup, like I stated in my other video. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of Kardashian Jenner inspired makeup looks because I love the way they do their makeup, or the way the artists do their makeup. This was one of them. I don't know who did it. I just know that when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's something that you can wear every day and it would look really nice. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do like and subscribe. Bye.